Welcome sa Bayan ng Superstars.
Here's Benji. Benji with a curl. Tigadiza trying to help out, but Benji Paras certainly improvised on that one and showed why he's called the power of power. That merits a second look, definitely.
John Best naman, nakita na naman si Benji! Two-headed slam from the Tower of Power!
Priority ni Benji is very high today.
Oh!
He has played straight minutes and he has
Met by Art de la Cruz. Benji Paras. Oh, wanted a slam, but had to let go in midair and went in.
One-on-one now on Eric Martin. Back to the basket, shot, Benji Paras. Wow, what a shot! And it's a 6-point lead by Shara. Timeout by Norman Black.
May cross na nakuha muli ni Benji Paras. Paras, sumaksak sa loob!
meron N1. Pero umpisang-umpisa pa lang, psychological effect on the part for Formula Shell. Pinalitan nila kanilang starting five.
Deficit is practically insurmountable and the Tower of Power slamming one home.
Two-handed slam dunk galing kay Benji Paras. Shot, Benji.
Yan ang sinasabi natin si
Ito na si Keres, Benji Paras. Reverse layup.
May foul pa yata. Wala ba? Aba, meron yata. Diyan, wala. Ayan yung pasa ni Kenneth Durandez and picture perfect reverse layup by the Tower of Power. Power of Benji Paras. Si Berhel Meneses dito. Whoa! Benji Paras! May kasama pang foul! In your faces yun. Ang daming sumalubong sa kanya.
5 minutes 53 seconds remaining.
Benji Paras! That rest really did it good in the third quarter. I mean, he's going to be ready for this grind. No?
Kasi umaandar pala.
Ito Benji Paras, pumuhot! Wow! What a play by Benji Paras, the Tower of Power, now with 9 points in this game.
Napupunta kay Paras. At parating nasa harap niya si Bigco.
Jerry Espan at bounce pass inside! At gigil, nakita mo yung gigil ni Benji Paras doon. Talagang ubus lakas yung kanyang talo na yun.
Wala siyang bantay. Kita mo, dalawa yung malalaki ng barangay niya.
And lost in the game against Kirkwood.
And another back break play by Shell. But set up to Paras. And the lead is cut down to 5.
Here's Benji Paras. Strong move inside.
Shot for Alaska. Hahanapin na nila si Benji Paras. May konting isolation. You see some of the red shirts beginning to float in, but alas, then we're Benji throwing up the hook. So all of a sudden,
Wide open underneath. Actually, may illegal defense na doon sa Miguel.
Si Benji Paras gets it to go on a short jumper.
Hindi na-appreciate, pero binabayaran ng tama yan.
Ito siya. Siyempre, alam yan pagka negotiating table, alam. Ganda naman ito. Bal David to Benji Paras.
All business talaga si Benji dito sa laro nito.
Pasa ni Bal David to Benji Paras underneath. We'll be back.
Puno kakampi dahil mapalakpak eh. Benji Paras underneath. Ties it up again. That's Benji Paras. 5 seconds on the shot clock. Takes it inside. Yes.
Nice floater by Benji Paras.
Benji Paras over Huillo. Pumasok, may foul pa.
Yes, big basket coming from the outside. Partner kanina, we mentioned how Shell is standing.
Having a miserable time from the field. Benji Paras with a tenacious offensive rebound.
Taking it away. And there's a Benji Paras show.
Number 6, English one missing. Looks in, look away, pass to Benji.
Yan ang mga veterano, the way that they communicate with each other.
Benji Paras. Inawol pa ni Parker. Sabi ni Benji, andyan ka.
Pablangkain mo ako. Inability to hit the free throw shot.
Benji Paras getting away. The Tower of Power now. Libot si Paras. Ano rin, hinabol ni Sunny Alvarado. Pero pumasok, ang tira.
Mukhang may foul pa nga yun. Dapat may 3-point play yun. Sabi sa'yo, kitang-kita mo sa mata ni Benji, gusto niya magpasiklab dito.
And by Art de la Cruz. Benji Paras. Oh, wanted a slam, but had to let go in midair and went in. Now he's running. There's a pitch to Benji Paras. And another ray of that fast break for Shell Ribble X. But Paras tried to stop on a dime there. Hides with a shot block of Fernandez. Benji Paras off the running back side. Back to Paras. Paras challenging Callaway. Back to the basket shot. And for the first time,
Inside to Paras.
Malaking problema yun dahil ang mag-cover noon yung pinakamali.
Paras 10 seconds on the shot. That's a 3-point shot. Malayo yun. Malayo yun.
si Paras.
Two now on the Tower of Power. Parang pinabalik sila kagad, nag-warm up sila kagad, nag-shooting. At parang kukunti lamang ang pinag-usapan. Benji Paras, ang nasa harapan niya, mas maliit. Pinalobo yung tira, and Paras with 4 points in the quarter. And Formula Shell coming out strong.
Rebound by Lane. His pass is deflected, but it's picked up by Benji Paras. 4 on 3. Paras takes it inside. Back to the basket shot.
And they're double teaming him.
Ball Alvarez. Jojo Martin. Benji Paras. Yes.
Domination off the glass.
Starting the break. Benji Paras. Side-stepping move. Against Eric Martin, no less. Anyways, Benji Paras. 21-13. Donald Williams, nabigyan ng pagkakataon for a 3-point shot. Wala, Benji Paras gets another offensive rebound. Bagay, oh.
Natin, national hero.
Yes. Samantala, Benji Paras, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang pag-usok dito po sa yung kalamangan ng Shell. Ngayon, 4 na lang. Donald Williams, mahigpit na binabantayan ng San Francisco. Magandang pasa ni Benji Paras kay Ben Pablo.
Ginamit niya yung kanyang cerebral vision. Nakita niya tumatakbo si
Benji Paras na nag-dish off kay Big Pablo naman. Magandang pasa.
Muntik na siyang mag-travel doon, ha? Benji Paras.
Sa'yo, pahinga ni Paras. He's gonna come in with a vengeance.
Johnny.
That's a good block by Paras. Clean. 8 seconds on the shot clock for
Chambers trying to stay close. Benji. Yes!
Iba yung hindi pagod eh. But they'll also try to get their offense going. Hindi naman sila hihinto. And there's Paras! There's Paras in this quarter. Last if they complete the comeback, it's been a big comeback because they were...
Pre-exhibition games, no? Paras. Benji Paras taking it strong. He has not played this well in the first quarter.
This year, makakasya na naman. Benji Paras.
Yes.
He has 4 straight points. Ang Formula Shell dito, Dr. J.
Sabi ko nga, matagal ko na hindi nakikita ng magandang laro ni Paras sa
Abutin yun. Ito si Benji Paras. Pero ito sa shooting yun. Very much Benji Paras regarding shooting.
Larry and Mills left here in the fourth quarter. Benji Paras getting another basket. 25 seconds remaining. It's scrub time sa Cuneta.
Takes it himself.
Classic Benji.
Third personal on big foul na nakita on the Tower of Power. Benji Paras. Unang personal. Oh, manggigigil ka lang. Wala mangyayari siya. Ito si Jerry Esplana. Nice handoff to Benji Paras. Nakita niya, medyo dali-galing.
Pinataw. Oh! Kahit lalagot si Coach Tim ko, dalawang foul na tinawag.
Pinapaul na talaga ni Alvarado, hindi tinawagan.
And Benji bringing it up. Tumuloy-tuloy. Oh! Parker! Hinabol!
Baka nasaktan si Benji ron dahil tumambak eh.
Sumabagsak ka.
Alam mo, Benji really could have passed a lead off. Eh, si Al Francis, tumakbo ka agad doon. Tinatanong kay Benji kung okay ka na. This guy is made of stern stuff. Pero hindi lang talaga bibigyan ni Parker. Tignan natin itong agaw na ito, partner, ha?
In your face, eh.
Oh, parang hold up ito. Tapos nakita mo, nandun si Espino, kaya niyang pasahan, pero sabi ni Benji, get out of my way. Inabot naman ni Parker galing sa likod, no?
Ito talaga si Parker, lipad ng lipad dito, kanina pa eh.
Oo. Wala bang katapusan ng energy ni Olaba si 6'9"? Noong una ko nakita ito.
Marunong,
This guy can bring up the ball.
Marunong dribble
Great
yan.
dribbler and he's a good passer.